Hello, I Anand Jain from Hanumangarh, Rajasthan welcomes you to your favorite Shridevi Classes YouTube channel where we inculcate interest and confidence in science, engineering and architecture subject. Today in our playlist of architecture green buildings, we'll understand role of bamboo as new green construction material. First we will understand for sustainable development, bamboo will emerge as a very promising building material of future. We will narrate various structural and non-structural applications of bamboo. We will explain advantages and disadvantages of bamboo in construction. We will answer properties of bamboo construction. We will compare bamboo with steel and also narrate how bamboo is protected during pre and post harvesting. So let's start first out of two learning video of bamboo as green construction material. India is expected to face timber shortage in order to meet the increasing housing needs of increasing population and increased use of conventional material cement, concrete and steel is also responsible for degradation of our environment, and both these reasons, shortage of timber and degradation of our environment, have led to the use of highly renewable and environmental friendly bamboo as a substitute for both wood and steel. This bamboo is considered as a very strong and durable construction material, and during cultivation of bamboo it also mitigate CO2 emission effect and support our efforts against climate change. So with a rising concern about climate change and sustainable development, bamboo will emerge as a highly promising building material of future. Bamboo has been used in past for the construction of different houses, structures and important monuments and architecture buildings, particularly in Asian countries of Vietnam, China and Indonesia since ancient times. And in India, bamboo currently mainly used for scaffolding around buildings during our building construction projects. Through industrial processing and new technology, several composite materials and components of bamboo can be developed for both structural and non-structural application in construction of housing and other buildings. Bamboo can be used for walls, partition, room divider, roofs, stairs, support, bridges or support structures, and there could be much more applications of bamboo in housing and buildings. New technologies on jointing, protection and preservation of bamboo has been developed, which has increased both durability and quality of bamboo applications, and this opened several new areas for bamboo use as wood substitute. Products like bamboo veneers, bamboo panels, corrugated bamboo roofing sheets, bamboo particle boards, etc. can be used as a construction material in various applications. Let us narrate advantages and disadvantages of bamboo construction. First, narrate the advantages of bamboo construction. Bamboo is a sustainable and eco-friendly material. Compared to other traditional building material, the bamboo is also economic and affordable. Bamboo got a lightweight and good strength, so it got high strength to weight ratio. Bamboo is quite versatile and adaptable to various building designs. Bamboo is aesthetically very pleasing and environmentally ensure well-being of residents. Bamboo being light in weight is easy to transport, and at demolition stage of any building, bamboo is biodegradable, and bamboo harvesting also got a low carbon footprints. So for sustainable development, bamboo is a very good building material, but it also got some disadvantages. Bamboo is not available everywhere and its cost may vary in certain regions. If not properly treated, bamboo is prone to pest attacks and it is not durable. Compared to other building material, bamboo won't have a very good fire resistance So incidents of fire can create troubles in bamboo construction. In moist and very hot conditions, bamboo may have some dimensional changes and that create troubles in structures. The bamboo available in market won't have any standardization of sizes or quality. So this also create trouble in good quality standard bamboo construction. It is also very difficult to find skilled labor to work with bamboo. Bamboo need special preservation techniques and storage and handling to prevent its damage. So these are various disadvantages of bamboo construction. Let's answer the question, what are the properties of bamboo construction? Bamboo construction is known for its durability, strength and flexibility. Bamboo got very lightweight and very good strength, so it can also withstand heavy loads. Bamboo has high tensile strength that make it suitable for use as beam or columns in construction. So one can create columns and beams for any structure using bamboos in any construction. It is also a very good renewable resource that is known for its quick growth that makes bamboo environmental friendly, strong and durable green building material. How is bamboo construction in comparison to steel? So in our buildings, bamboo is a relatively new material and it is not as that common as steel in construction. Bamboo got problem of durability and even jointing of bamboo is not that convenient as that of steel. Steel is known for its strength and durability, and with concrete it become a very good reinforcement agent. So steel is a very popular construction material in modern buildings. However, bamboo is a renewable resource, quite light in weight and very strong in tensile and compressive forces. Bamboo also got good insulating property and bamboo is also quite environmental friendly. So for sustainable development, bamboo will become a popular building material in future. But at present, there is no comparison between steel and bamboo, as steel is very common in use and bamboo is used only by environment conscious users. Let's answer very important question, how bamboo in construction is protected during pre-harvesting and post-harvesting. The protection of bamboo from all sort of degradation is achieved even during harvesting time, and only mature clumps are harvested, that too during the winter months when it is assumed that bamboo got smaller amount of sugar content and mature clumps got good strength. It is very important to clear all sugar content from the bamboo to make it resistance against termites, insects or fungal attacks. Sugar or starch content of bamboo sap is lowered by washing or leaching them through flowing water or submerging bamboo into a borate solution, that is 3% borax and 2% boric acid in 95% fresh water, called as full shock immersion, is another and very reliable method to remove sugar and starch content from bamboo. The dry bamboo got greater durability, strength and usefulness. So best way to dry bamboo faster is to dry it under the sun initially until the green color of bamboo begins to change to yellow, and then it is stored by stacking the clumps in vertical position, and this vertical stacking of clumps ensure uniform and quick drying of bamboo. For storage, one could use shaded storage area to protect bamboo from direct sunlight and rain. When the drying of clumps of bamboo is in process, it is advisable to dry the clumps in a slower rate, and that too uniformly, to avoid splits or cracks in the bamboo clumps. The green rating system in India, whether it is LEED system or GRIHA, also encourage the use of bamboo as construction material. Indian Green Building Council for Green houses provide 4 marks for the use of this rapidly renewable material, bamboo, in any building, whereas in Griha rating system under criteria 16, which suggests reduced volume, weight and construction time by adopting efficient technology such as precast system, and criteria 17, use of low energy intensive material in interior, can gain 4 points in each criteria 16 and criteria 17 by using bamboos in construction. We hope this first learning video of bamboo as green construction material has introduced the role of bamboo in our building construction. The second learning video of the same series will explain properties of bamboo in building construction. Our other learning video of this green building playlist or other playlist are very useful, and if you find them useful for your studies, do like them, and you can also share them to your friends. Happy learning. Have a nice time. Thank you very much.